Before you buy a home battery, ask yourself one thing. Do you actually know how big it should be? Most people don't. And choosing the wrong size is like buying shoes that don't fit. Today, I'll give you the simplest formula to size a home battery. Let's start. Battery size is measured in kilowatt hours. It tells you how much energy the battery can store, just like the size of a water tank tells you how much water it holds. For example, a Tesla Powerwall stores 13.5 kilowatt hours. An LG Chem Rezu stores about 9.8 kilowatt hours. Here is the simple formula. Battery size equals daily energy use times backup hours divided by depth of discharge. Depth of discharge is usually 0.9. Daily energy use is on your bill. Most homes use 25 to 30 kilowatt hours per day. Example: 25 kilowatt hours per day times 1 day divided by 0.9 equals about 28 kilowatt hours. That means you need around 2 Powerwalls. But remember, during outages, you don't run everything. You only run essential loads. Typical loads per hour: fridge, 0.15 kilowatts. Lights, 0.1 kilowatts. Wi-Fi and electronics, 0.05 kilowatts. Sump pump, 0.3 kilowatts. Furnace fan, 0.5 kilowatts. Total, about 1.1 kilowatts. For 10 hours, you need about 11 kilowatt hours. 1 Powerwall is enough for that. If you want an easier shortcut, use this guide. 12 kilowatt hours, basic backup. 20 kilowatt hours, most homes. 30 kilowatt hours, full day backup. 50 kilowatt hours, heavy use or off-grid. If you have solar, you may choose a smaller battery because solar recharges it daily. Without solar, go slightly bigger. Also, check the battery's power rating. Capacity is the energy tank. Power rating is how fast you can use it. Most home batteries provide 5 to 7 kilowatts continuously and up to 10 kilowatts for short bursts. Here is your quick checklist. What is your daily energy use? How many hours or days do you want backup? Do you want critical loads or whole home backup? Do you have solar panels? And that's the easiest way to size a home battery. Simple formula, simple steps, no guesswork.